Hi everyone, welcome to VR Computer Education. This is Rakesh. So today class 18. So in the today class we'll continue with same fractional conversions. This fractional conversions using octal number system. So in the previous classes we have converted decimal fractions, binary fractionals, and today's class we'll convert octal fractional conversions. So octal fractional number to decimal, next octal fractional number to binary, next octal fractional number to hexadecimal. So one by one conversions we'll see now. So let us take one octal number. So the octal number is 40.10 base 8. So this is octal number. So octal fractional number. So first we'll convert this number to decimal. Next we'll convert it to binary. And next we'll convert into hexadecimal. So now first I'll convert this into decimal number system. So I can write like this 40.10 octal number. So first we are converting to decimal. So now to convert into decimal I'll write like this. First I'll take 40. 40. So now this 0 into 8 power 0 and this 4 into 8 power 1. So I'll write 4 into 8 power 1 plus 0 into 8 power 0. So 4 8s are 32 will get, this is anyway 0. So 32. And next here this value 1 0, I'll write 1 0. So start from here, 1 into 8 power minus 1, next 0 into 8 power minus 2. So I can write 1 into 8 power minus 1 plus 0 into 8 power minus 2. So 1 into 8 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 8. This is anyway 0. So this 1 by 8 value is 1 into 0.125. So 1 into 0.125, that equals to 0.125. So therefore 40.10 octal number equivalent decimal number is 32.125 base 10. This is octal number to decimal conversion. Next, the same number will convert into binary. Same number will convert into binary. So I'll take same number, that is 40.10 base 8. Now I'll convert this into binary. So to convert into binary, same octal to binary, that is two-step conversion. Step 1, convert into decimal. So now already we have converted, just now we got value, that is 32.125. Next step 2, convert decimal to octal. So decimal to octal. So write the decimal number, that is 32.125. 32.125. Now this can be written 32 plus 0.125. So first we have to convert this, next we will convert this. So this 32 can be written like this. So with the 2, so 2 ones are 2, 1 left, 2 6 are 12. So here we will get 0. Next 2 8s are 16. So here we will get 0. Next 2 4s are 8. Here we will get 0. Next 2 2s are 4. So here 0. Next 2 1s are 2, that is 0. So like this we have to write. So that is 1 0 0 0 0 0. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the 32 binary number. Next 0.125 into 2 will do. Then we will get fractional part also. So 0.125 into 2, that is 0.250. Integral part 0, and the same fractional part can be written 0.250 into 2, that is 0.500, and this is 0, and this part can be written as 0.500 into 2, that is 1.000. So this one here written, and fractional part, so 0.000 into 2, that is 0. So therefore 40.10 octal number equivalent binary number is 1000000.001. So this is the conversion octal to binary. Next, the same number will convert into hexadecimal number. So what values will get? See. So the value is 40.10 octal number can be converted to hexadecimal number. No. So how to convert octal to hexa? Same two-step conversion. So first convert into decimal. So already we have converted, we got that is 32.125 base 10. Next convert decimal to hexadecimal. So what is the decimal number we got? 32.125. So I can write like this, 32 now with 16. So 16 2s are 32 will get, that's all, 2 0. Next 0.125 into 16. So she'll get 2.000. So this 2 can be written, and fractional part is 0.000 into 16, that is 0. So here like this we will write the 2. So therefore 40.10 octal number equivalent hexadecimal number is 20.2. So this is the conversion octal to, so here what we got, 20.2. This is the conversion octal to hexadecimal. So next example, we'll take another number and we'll convert same octal to decimal, octal to binary, octal to hexadecimal. Take another number, that is 22.50. First we'll convert this to decimal. So I can write this one 2 like this, 2 into 8 power 0, next 2 into 8 power 1. So 2 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power 0. So you get 8 to the 16 plus 8 power 1, 8 power 0 is 1. So 2 ones are, you will get 2. Next 16, 17, 18. Next 50. First 5 into 8 power minus 1. Next 0 into 8 power minus 2. So 5 into 8 power minus 1 plus 0 into 8 power minus 2. This 5 into 1 by 8, and this anyway it is 0, and 5 into 1 by 8 value is 0.125. So the answer is 0.125 into 5, that is 0.625. So therefore 22.50 octal number equivalent decimal number is 18.625. So this is the conversion octal to decimal. So the same number will convert into binary. Same number will convert into binary. So how to convert it to binary? Some first we'll write number, that is 22.50 octal number to binary. So to convert binary, first two-step conversion we know already. So convert to decimal. So just now we have converted, we got the value as 18.625. In the next step, convert decimal to binary. So first what we got the decimal number, that is 18.625. So first we'll convert 18. So 2 9s are 18, that is 0. 2 4s are 8. Here you'll get 1. Next 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Here you'll get 0. Next 2 1s are 2. That is 0. So like this we will write. So 1 0 0 1 0. Next we will take 0.625 into 2. So that is 1.250. Integer part 1 and the fractional part 0.250 into 2. That is 0.500. Integer part 0 and the fractional part 0.500 into 2 again, that is 1.000. Here you will get 1, and 0.000 into 2, anyway, that is 0. So like this we have to write. So therefore 22.50 octal number equivalent binary number how much? 10010.101. So this is the conversion from octal to binary. And next we'll convert the same number into hexadecimal. So first we'll write the number. So how much? 22.50, and this number will convert into. So octal to hexa, same two-step conversion. See, convert to decimal. So already we converted, we know the value, that is 18.625. Next, convert decimal to hexadecimal. So what is the decimal number? That is 18.625 base 10. So 18 with 16. So 16, directly 16 ones are 16. So 2 left. So we can write 1, 2. Next 0.625 into 16. So that is 10.000 will get. So you will not write 10, in place of 10 will get A here. So 0.000 into 16, that is 0. So therefore 22.50 octal number equivalent hexadecimal how much? 12.8. So this is the octal fractional conversion from octal fractional to decimal, octal fractional to binary, octal fractional to hexadecimal. Thank you.